You are going to love the 2005 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, remote keyless entry, tires, front all season, fourth passenger door, tires, rear all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.